guys, it's Rita. How are you today? Hope you're all doing well. So today I'm here to tell you about a few home remedies you can use for toothache. Obviously, I'm not an expert when it comes to home remedies because there's only a few you can use. There isn't so many, so I'll just tell you a few that I can think of on top of my head that could possibly help you if you've got toothache. Let's say it's over the weekend, the dentist is shut, you don't know what to do, your tooth is throbbing, it's killing you, it's hurting, and there's no option. I would first consider, if I had toothache and I'm at home, paracetamol, painkillers. Try and use painkillers that you're used to, like ones that you normally take for your headache. They will help a lot with toothache. I mean, painkillers do work for, most of them work for about 4 hours. So take them. If after 4 hours the pain is come back, take another lot of painkillers. So you could consider painkillers. Obviously, I'll emphasize this, the ones you're used to. Don't use something you're gonna get allergic to and then you end up with a totally different case scenario where you end up with an allergic reaction or something like that. So toothache caused by decay, when you've got a massive hole in your tooth. It could be caused by wisdom teeth, when they're sort of pushing through the gum, they're trying to come out. That can cause pain. They can be caused by sensitivity from, let's say, drinking hot and cold stuff, eating ice cream. That's the worst. Whenever I eat ice cream, guys, it does my teeth and I don't like it. So yeah, it could be things like that. So what I would say, sensitivity from, let's say, cold stuff, ice cream, what you could do, try and avoid things that cause you sensitivity. Try and, let's say, use warm water when you're brushing your teeth, or when you're drinking water, go for the warm water instead of the cold to avoid the sensitivity. Or try and use a straw so it's not sort of heating all the teeth to make them really sensitive. So that's one thing for the sensitivity. You could also think about things like Sensodyne toothpaste, or any sort of sensitive toothpaste. Colgate do a good one as well. Oral-B do quite a few for sensitivity. So brush your teeth with a sensitive toothpaste. After brushing, spit out, don't rinse with water. Yeah, don't rinse. So then the toothpaste can work into your teeth. Yeah, so just spit out the toothpaste, leave it on the teeth, and or before you go bed, put toothpaste on your finger, rub it in the areas that are sensitive. That helps as well for the sensitivity that comes from cold stuff, right? Mind you, when it comes to sensitivity, normally painkillers won't work. So you have to think about that. Painkillers will not work for sensitivity from, let's say, cold or anything like that. So you might need, if the toothpaste is not working, you might need to come in and see the dentist, right? And there's quite a few options that you. Next thing, if you've got, let's say, a wisdom tooth pushing through, when the wisdom tooth is pushing through, there's a lot of pressure and it splits the gum open so it can make its entrance, but sometimes it can be extremely painful. So in that case, what you could do, still painkillers help a lot. If you don't use painkillers, try and keep that area as clean as possible, because sometimes when there's food stuck in the area, even if the tooth is pushing through, that makes it even worse because the gum gets inflamed. So try and brush the area gently, even if I'm going like that. No, don't do what I'm doing. Do it gently. Brush the area with a soft toothbrush and make sure you remove all the debris, all the food sitting in there. There's a brush you can use called a single tufted brush. If you look up here, that's one of them. Obviously, where it's got one head, you can go into the tooth and pick it all out, pick out all the food so it's nice and clean, because if it's not clean, the tooth will get worse. The gum gets inflamed, the tooth is trying to push out of the gum, so already there's a little problem. So try your best to just help the tooth and keep it nice and clean. Salt warm water rinses do help. Put a little bit of salt in it, sort of mix it in and gargle with that. Hold it at the back of the tooth in the area. That helps a little bit. Custodial mouthwash is another one, but go for the original, don't go for the daily. So rinse that as well. That can help with the inflammation. Not always, but it's something that can help, worth trying, right? So that's toothache when it comes to wisdom teeth, right? But still, don't forget to see your dentist. Book in, see your dentist as soon as possible, because sometimes it's an infection, and if it's an infection, the infection can spread, you know. So you've got to be really careful. If you've got infections, if you think something is not right, once you've got, I mean, an opportunity to go to the dentist, book in, go see your dentist as soon as possible. Infections are very dangerous. So yeah, you might need antibiotics for that to clear the infection. So I mean, for me, my wisdom tooth, I think that one keeps pushing through every now and then. They're not fully out, so I also get pain. It's not like because I work in a dental practice or because I work in dentistry and I don't get pain. No, I get pain as well, my lovely. So yeah, I also use the remedies if I can't get what I need at work. Like if I'm at home, let's say it's a weekend, it's a bank holiday, it's Christmas breaks, I mean things like that, I still need remedies at home, so I'll find something to use. So yeah, that's right. When it comes to Decay, sorry guys, my screen is gone a bit dark. I can't work out why, but let's ignore that. Let's keep going. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, read and alerts, as you can see. Yeah, subscribe to my channel. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, by the way. I get quite a lot of views. A lot of you love my shorts. My shorts, I don't know why it is, but it's just fantastic how people respond to them. But anyway, back to pain at home. Right guys, so the other thing that causes pain is when people have holes in their teeth, like massive holes. So what happens sometimes is the tooth can decay, and when it decays it crumbles, because imagine that's the tooth, and inside the tooth the bacteria sort of destroy the tooth and it sort of crushes in. When it crushes in, it sort of gets to the nerve, and when that happens, my lovely, the pain can be a lot. So when you get that pain, if you can't get to a dentist, I tell you what, you'll hate it, because your tooth will just throb constantly. You can do with that, obviously take painkillers as you wait to see your dentist. Book in as soon as possible. As soon as you can get an appointment, book in and see a dentist. Or you can go to the emergency dentist, like hospital or something. Get help from someone, because that as well, I mean, it can be super uncomfortable. Like it can be really painful. Another thing you could do for that, actually, at home, you could get clove oil. Clove oil looks like that. I mean, it's just a home remedy that might help. Not totally, but it's something you could consider in the meantime as you wait to see the dentist. You just drop it in the tooth. Sometimes it numbs the pain, but not all the time. But it's something to sort of resort to if the pain is too much. But ultimately, it's down to seeing the dentist. So I mean, I can't emphasize that enough. But when you're at home, that's the home remedies I can give you guys. I mean, I love teeth and anything to do with teeth. So if you want to ask anything, feel free to DM me or put a comment in a comment section. I'll be happy to reply. Or guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, by the way. That's my Instagram, still recent alerts. Drop us a follow. When it comes to children, if their teeth are wobbly and painful, you can give them some cowpaw. You can give them a bit of painkiller just to put them at ease, because you know how children are like. They will be extremely dramatic about it that you as a parent, you'll get so uncomfortable. But that's the best way you can do it. Help them work on the tooth till the tooth comes out. Play with it. Encourage them to play with the tooth, especially when they're watching TV or they're just bored doing nothing. Work on the tooth. Try to play with it, wibble it, wibble. I can't say the word. Guys, help me. Okay, yeah, play with it till it comes out. And if it doesn't come out, book into the dentist. The dentist will take it out for you if need be. They don't always take it out, if need be. So yeah guys, that's all to do with toothache. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, engage, follow, ask questions, Feel free to mingle with reader. Feel free to say anything you want to say. I want to hear it. I want to hear it. Give me those comments. Share your pages, guys. Share your pages down here so we can all get to talk, get to watch each other's videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.